teachers. Today I'm going to show you how to export your Divine Digital Living Planner to your iPad or your tablet. You're going to need your either MacBook or PC, your iPad or your tablet, your stylus, because I use Mac, I'm using an Apple Pencil, and your PDF annotation app. Because I'm using Mac and because I like GoodNotes, I use the GoodNotes 5 app. Then the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to need to complete your purchase of the Divine Digital Living Planner on Etsy. Once you've done that, Etsy is going to send you an email containing the links to the email you have registered on your Etsy account. So if you're like me and you have several emails, you're going to want to make sure you look in the one that is registered on the Etsy account. Then you're going to open that email and you're going to click on the link, Divine Digital Living Getting Started Guide. So we're going to double click on that. It's going to download. You're going to then go to your downloads folder and you're going to right click on that and then you're going to click copy. Then I want you to save this to a folder of your choice. I have one in the iCloud that I use, and I put it in a digital planner folder that I have in the iCloud. So I'm going to paste that item there. You can see it right here. Then the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to go back to Etsy and you're going to do the next file, which happens to be a PDF. So I want you to double click on that. This is the actual planner. Again, you're going to go to your downloads folder. Right click, copy, and you can put this into the folder that you have already created. Again, I put mine into, I made a digital planner folder in my iCloud. Paste the item, and it's right there. And I'm going to go back and do this again. Now I'm going to do this to the sticker folder. Double click to download. Go to my downloads folder. And I'm going to right click, copy, go to my iCloud, digital planner, right click again, and then press paste item. So now I've got all three of the files that I wanted that I downloaded from the Etsy account. These will all be sent to your email. Now that we have downloaded all the files from our Etsy purchase, we are going to look at the options to get the downloaded file from your computer to your iPad or your tablet. The first option I'm going to show you to get the downloaded file from your computer to your iPad or tablet is to actually upload the downloaded file to your iCloud drive. We've already done that. So now all we have to do is open our iCloud drive on our iPad. Let's do that now. So we're going to go to Files, then we're going to go to our iCloud drive, and then I put mine into Digital Planner. So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to go down to my planners, and here it is. But I want to get it into my GoodNotes, so I'm going to go back to the home screen and I'm going to click on GoodNotes. I'm going to click on New. I'm going to import. Then I'm going to go back to that digital planner. We've already checked and the file is there. And I'm going to click on this. It imported the document. Now my teacher planner is up and ready to go. How easy is that? So the next option I'm going to show you to get the downloaded file from your computer to your iPad or tablet is to upload the downloaded file to your Google Drive. Then open Google Drive to your iPad or tablet. Let's do that now. So I'm going to go to my Google Drive. I'm going to click New, File Upload. Then I'm going to go to Downloads, and I'm going to scroll to the file. The file is right here. It's the DDL Planner Teacher Planner 2 for the year 2021. So I'm going to double click on that or click on it. Then I'm going to click Open, and it is going to upload to my Google Drive. Once it uploads to the Google Drive, which this is already done, you can see right here that it's already been uploaded, we are going to close our laptop. After we close our laptop, we are then going to open our iPad, and we are going to go to our files. I'm going to go to the Google Drive. We want to make sure that our file is there. Put it in DivineDigitalLiving. And then we are going to check. It is right here. It's a PDF, so we're just going to leave it right where it is. And then now we're going to go back. We're going to open GoodNotes. We're going to click on New, Import. We're going to go to our Google Drive right there. And we are going to go to DivineDigitalLiving, or I put mine in DivineDigitalLiving, and it is right here. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to import it, just like that. Now it is ready to go. The next option I'm going to show you to download the file from your computer to your iPad or tablet is to simply airdrop the downloaded file to your iPad and then open the downloaded file. So let's do that now. We are going to click on Finder because we want to go to our Downloads folder. This is the file. This is the planner. So we are going to right click that. We are going to then come down to Share, come across, and click Airdrop. So now this is going to check all of the available devices that you can download this to. I want to download it to my iPad, so I'm going to click on that. And it's sending, and it is sent. Now we're going to close our laptop and then open our iPad. Let's do that now. When it airdrops to my iPad, it allows me to pick any of these applications that I can open it with. So I'm going to simply click on GoodNotes, import to current document, and there we have it. It has been airdropped into our iPad from our MacBook, and then I've just imported it with GoodNotes. And now I'm ready to plan. The last option I'm going to show you to get the downloaded file from your computer to your iPad or tablet is to simply email the downloaded file to your iPad or tablet, and then we will start from there. So the first thing we want to do is we want to go to our mail. I've actually already started to compose an email to myself. The subject TP2, which is Teacher Planner 2, and then I'm going to attach the file that's in our download folder. This is the DDL Teacher Planner 2 for 2021. So I'm going to choose this file. Now it is on the email, and I'm going to simply send the email. Once you send the email, you can close your laptop and then open your iPad. Let's do that now. So now I go to my iPad. I'm going to click on the email that I sent to myself. Now I'm going to tap to download. Then I'm going to tap the PDF. It's going to open up, but I'm going to click this little box in the upper right hand corner. It's a little square with an arrow pointing up, meaning to upload somewhere. And so I'm going to open this in GoodNotes. Now we're going to click Import as New Document. It's imported and ready to go. Now you have learned 4 different ways that you can download your file from your computer to your iPad. How easy is that? And now you're ready to plan.